Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. If you're in here, hi, my name is Sarah. I make a lot of special effects tutorials, mostly around Halloween time, some beauty tutorials, and a little bit of DIY in between. Today's video I would categorize as beauty, but it is definitely not a beauty tutorial. I've been seeing this trend go around YouTube for a little while now. Essentially just mixing all of my blank together. Insert whatever you want there. Somebody has probably done it. I have seen Raw Beauty Christie do it, I've seen Manny MUA do it, I've seen Simply Nailogical do it. I've also seen Safai Nygaard, I believe that's how you say her name. I'm not sure who actually started it, so if you guys know and you'd like to let me know, then comment in the comment section down below. I have filmed this video once already, and about 5 minutes into it I realized that it would not work out the way that I had planned it to. The way I planned it to was literally just mixing all of my liquid lipsticks together. But if you guys have seen my DIY dollar store organization for my liquid lipsticks, then you know I have quite a bit. If not, go check it out, or don't. Either way, you're going to end up seeing all of my liquid lipsticks if you'd like to, in all due time. So as I said, I tried to mix quite a few of my liquid lipsticks together, and after about probably 25 of them, I realized that they were drying down quite quickly. And also, the second downside with a lot of my liquid lipsticks is that there's a lot of different colors. So I was kind of contemplating either between mixing different liquid lipstick colors together, such as reds, blues, etc, etc, but I realized that might be a little bit too played out. Then I thought, what's another way to go about this video that maybe not a lot of people have done, and that is by brands. So as you have seen by the title, obviously, I'm going to be mixing my Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks together today, which I think is actually one of the biggest collections that I have personally. I know there's tons more, but I've definitely ordered my fair share of them. I'm always going to keep ordering more because I absolutely love Jeffree Star Cosmetics, but today, as of my collection right now, I'm going to be mixing those together, and let's get started, shall we? So as I have said, I'm going to obviously be mixing my liquid lipsticks together, specifically Jeffree Star in this video. If you guys want to see any more, then let me know. I'll probably do them anyways, but it's always good to know. I'm going to be mixing them together, but first I'm going to be essentially swatching them, I guess? I don't really know. I don't really know the right wording for that, but I'm going to be swatching them on this paper plate, literally just a paper plate right here, and then mixing them together and seeing what I come up with. Aw, my baby's broken. Poor little dirty money. This is going to be what I imagine the most satisfying part of this video is going to be. Now let's see what this baby looks like when it's on. I'm just going to zoom you guys in a little bit. Can we just talk about this color? I really wish I didn't like it as much as I do, because I do not have the time to mix all of my Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipsticks together when I want a color like this. Jeffree Star, on the off chance that you're watching this, you should make this color, because it's fucking bomb. Although this color does remind me of one color I have in my collection. Just a minute. The most similar color that I have in my collection, not a Jeffree Star Cosmetics, just in general, is going to be the color Haze from Kat Von D. Although, is that weird to put in a Jeffree Star video of any kind? Maybe, maybe not. Although I did do swatches on my hand, do a side-by-side comparison just to see. And I will definitely say the mixture of all the Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipsticks together are definitely more pigmented than the Kat Von D Haze. And I really love this more than the Kat Von D one as well. That's probably better to say in this video. Seriously though, this is so full coverage. And the kiss test is nice. Treating this like it was a liquid lipstick that's actually been made instead of just a whole bunch that were all put together. But I definitely do like this kind of vampy-ish color, and I did not think that all of the liquid lipsticks together was going to make this happen. But I'm mad at it. I am not mad at it at all. I really do like this color, and I wish I wouldn't have to put all of my Jeffree Star lipsticks together just to get it. But for now, I guess so. And I have all this liquid lipstick on my hand now. Super! Alright, so I hope you guys liked that video, and as I did say, I'm going to be doing this for more than just the Jeffree Star Cosmetics collections. Probably going to be doing this to all liquid lipsticks I have eventually, but until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!